Addition we are going to do. Okay. So let A and B any two whole numbers. We can take any number like 3 or 4 or 5, anything. Fine. And if A and B are disjoint set means not equal numbers. Okay. So n of A and B is equals to n of B. N of B is nothing but any number of A, any number of B. Okay. So then A plus B is nothing but n of A union B. Means what? A and B are like any whole numbers, right? So if we add two whole numbers, what will get a whole number only? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So 2 plus 3 is how much, Joshika?
4.
2 plus 3.
5.
5. So 5 is a whole number or not?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
so that is the definition of this. Okay. So they are saying that let A and B be any two whole numbers. And A and B are not equal. Then A plus B will be n of A union B. Did you get that formula?
Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, so first the model I have given. Now suppose to find A plus B, we need to find two disjoint sets. See, this is A objects, this is B objects. Okay. If we add, what it will become? Total A plus B will become, yes or no? We will count all of them. Addition. In the measurement model, addition of whole numbers is represented by two arrows of whole number lengths along with the whole number line. Means whole number line is nothing but from 1 to so on, from 0 to so on. Okay, so example, they have given 2 plus 5. See, through this number line we are going to do. So yeah, this is the number line. Okay, so in that number line, they have said to find 2 plus 5 is how much? Okay, so first we have to take the 2. So from 0 to 2, you have taken the 2 number. Yes, then they said plus 5. Okay, from 2, you should take 5 numbers. Understood? So from 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your final answer. Did you get it? How to do the number line? So I have given a number line. Okay. So I will ask each member to do it 1 second. So now suppose 3 plus 8. Okay. 3 plus 8 I have given.
Yes.
Pranavi, can you say it how to do it? From where we should start? Yes.
One from last side, 3. Yeah.
From 0 we should take 3. Yes. From 0 you should take 3. Then they said plus 8 numbers. Yes or no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total final answer will be 11. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. 4 plus 5. What's your answer? Yeah, from 0 you have to take it as 4. Yes?
4.
From 4 you have to take how many numbers? Yeah. 1,
1,
2,
2,
yes,
3,
yes.
4.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, 4.
4, 5.
So should I go more or should I stop it here?
Stop it.
So what's your final answer?
9.
Yeah, your final answer will be 9.
9.
So we have properties of the addition. Okay, so can you see that slide? Can you see the slide? Yes?
Yes,
Yes or no? So the first one is closure property for two whole number addition. Means the answer will be like this. We have two whole numbers. Take it as 4 plus 5. Okay. So that is equal to 5 plus 4. This is known as closure property. Closure property of commutative property of addition, because we are doing here addition. Did you get it? So A plus B is equals to B plus A. Yeah. So next is associative property for whole number addition. Okay, so let A and B and C be any whole number. Then what will be a formula? A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. The brackets, it will be different. See, I will show you that. See, suppose I have numbers of 5 plus 3. This is written in brackets. Okay, this is A and B. Okay, find A plus B plus C. Okay, is equals to A value in the next value, A will be outside and B and C will be in the
Inside.
brackets. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Joshika, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the first part, A and B will be in brackets and C will be outside.
Outside.
In second part, A will be outside, B plus C will be inside. Okay, that is what property? Associative property. Just remember that. Okay. Identity property is nothing but both the same number will be there. That is only your answer. There is a see the identity property. There is a unique whole number 0. Yes, listen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Listen. Afterwards you can write. So there is a unique whole number 0 such that for all whole numbers A, means A can be any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything. So A plus 0 is what? A only. 0 plus A or A plus 0 will be A. Okay, 0